Welcome to the 3bestones.com. The following video is about the best auto darkening welding helmet. Here are the top 3 auto darkening welding helmet that we have picked to make sure you don't waste your time wandering over the internet. At number 3. Monster and Master Large Viewing Screen Auto Darkening Welding Helmet. It is designed for use with MIG, TIG and stick welding. It features a 10 by 10 inch viewing area that can be tilted up to 90 degrees. This helmet also has an auto darkening filter which adjusts the shade of the screen in accordance with light intensity from 0 to 9. This welding helmet has a dark shade on the outside which reduces light intensity by 95% and a clear shade on the inside for better visibility. This helmet provides protection against infrared radiation as well as UVA and UVB rays. At number 2. YESWELDER Large Viewing Screen 3.94 by 3.66 True Color Solar Power Auto Darkening Welding Helmet. It is made of the finest materials to ensure durability. It can be used in all light conditions, including bright sunlight. This 3.94 by 3.66 viewing screen has a large viewing area and offers an excellent field of view. It has a wide range of applications, including welding helmets for use at home or in industrial settings. Its inside of the lens darkens in response to light changes so you don't get hurt while using it. At number 1. CANAWELD Auto Darkening True Color Welding Helmet. It is the most advanced welding helmet in the world. It has a patented design that will make your welds look crisp and clean, even with bright light conditions. With 4 levels of sensitivity and an adjustable shade range, it's perfect for all types of welding work. This helmet blocks out more than 99% of harmful UV rays to protect your eyes from damage. It's easy to switch between modes by simply pressing the button located on the side of the headgear. For more details, click on the link given in the description below, and thanks for watching our video. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.